Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best G1X Mark III is probably one of the most underrated cameras on the market. It's a powerhouse of a compact camera, boasting a large sensor, excellent image quality, and a versatile zoom lens. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this camera offers a fantastic blend of performance and portability, making it an ideal companion for travel, street photography, and everyday shooting. Number 5. Sony ZV-1 Content Creator Camera. This is the Sony ZV-1, a camera built for content creators. It's perfect for vlogging and creating videos for YouTube. It has everything you need to get started. Featuring a 20.1 MP sensor and a Zeiss lens, this camera captures stunning 4K HDR video. The lens offers a versatile 24 to 70mm range, perfect for various shooting scenarios. The side flip-out screen makes it easy to compose your shots, even when filming yourself. The fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus ensure your subject is always in sharp focus. Quickly switch between modes to create a blurred background. The product showcase setting smoothly transitions focus from your face to an object, ideal for reviews. The automatic exposure ensures your face is always well lit. It also has a built-in microphone and a windscreen to capture clear audio, and it has a 3.5mm mic jack for external microphones. It supports Bluetooth, and can operate in temperatures from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. This camera is designed to make content creation easier and more enjoyable. What we like. This camera is designed with vloggers in mind, featuring a side flip-out screen and a great built-in microphone. It also has fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus, ensuring your shots are always in focus. If you are a content creator who values portability and ease of use, this camera is perfect for you. What people say. The image and video quality is outstanding, with crisp details and vibrant colors that make my content pop. The touchscreen display is intuitive and responsive, adding to the overall user experience. I love the built-in microphone and excellent autofocus. It keeps you looking sharp and sounding clear without needing a lot of extra gear. Number 4. Canon EOS M50 Mark II Plus EFM 15 to 45mm STM Kit Black. This camera boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, capturing stunning detail. It allows you to take high-quality photos and videos in various lighting conditions. The ISO range extends up to 25,600, expandable to 51,200. Powered by the Digic 8 image processor, it delivers fast performance and excellent image quality. This processor also enables features like the auto lighting optimizer, ensuring well-exposed shots. The camera features improved dual-pixel CMOS AF with eye detection. This ensures fast and accurate autofocus, making it easier to capture sharp images and videos. It supports both still and movie servo AF. Record videos in stunning 4K UHD resolution at 24 frames per second. For slow-motion effects, it also offers HD 120p recording. This gives you flexibility in your video projects. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD is perfect for vlogging and creative compositions. It allows you to easily frame your shots from different angles. This feature makes it user-friendly for both photos and videos. This kit includes a zoom lens, offering versatility in your photography. It allows you to capture a wide range of subjects, from landscapes to portraits. The lens is designed to provide sharp and clear images. With the ability to capture video at 2160p, it ensures your videos are of high quality. This resolution provides excellent detail and clarity. It is a great choice for content creators. What we like. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II offers a larger APS-C sensor, delivering superior image quality and shallow depth of field. It also boasts 4K video recording capabilities and a vari-angle touchscreen, making it versatile for both photos and videos. If you are looking for a camera that provides excellent image quality and 4K video in a compact package, this is a great choice. What people say. The EOS M50 Mark II delivers stunning image and video quality, consistently capturing sharp, vibrant, and lifelike moments. The compact size of this camera is another standout feature. One of the most impressive features for content creators is the flip-out touchscreen. Number 3. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II digital camera. This camera's advanced video capabilities ensure your memories are captured in the quality they deserve. It allows you to relive those special moments with clarity and detail. Featuring a large 1-inch, 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures high-quality images and videos. The wide dynamic range ensures that both bright and dark areas are well represented in your shots. The lens offers an aperture of f1.8 at the wide angle and f2.8 when fully zoomed. This allows you to capture a variety of situations with precision, from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. The high-resolution 3.0-inch LCD monitor tilts up 180 degrees and down 45 degrees. This is ideal for self-portraits and capturing pictures at various angles with ease. Built-in Wi-Fi allows for on-the-go convenience. You can easily post your images to select social networking and media sites directly from the camera. With the ability to shoot continuously at up to 8 frames per second, it helps you capture incredible images. You won't miss a moment with its fast and efficient performance. What we like. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II features a 1-inch sensor, capturing high-quality images and videos with a wide dynamic range. It also has built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing and a tilting LCD screen for versatile shooting angles. If you like a camera that offers a balance of image quality, convenience, and portability, you should consider this one. What people say. It has excellent low and mid ISO image quality. Video quality is also excellent and quite sharp. The camera controls are well laid out. I like the chunkier grip and that the exposure comp dial has better feedback to it. The LCD is bright and clear and also is more flexible, which means it's a lot easier to compose on in bright sunlight. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III digital camera. This is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. It's a compact camera packed with impressive features. You'll be amazed by what it can do. It boasts a 20.1 megapixel 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor and a Digic 8 image processor. This combination ensures stunning image quality and fast performance. The photos and videos will be incredibly detailed. The camera features a 4.2x optical zoom lens, ranging from 24 to 100 mm with an f1.8 to 2.8 aperture. This allows for versatile shooting in various situations. It also has an optical image stabilizer. Record videos in 4K at 30p or Full HD at 120p. This allows you to capture high-quality videos. You can also create slow-motion footage. Turn the camera into a high-quality webcam. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software on Mac and Windows. It's a great way to improve your video calls. What we like. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III excels in video, offering 4K recording capabilities and a 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor for excellent low-light performance. It also doubles as a high-quality webcam, making it incredibly versatile. If you are looking for a compact camera that can handle both photography and high-quality video, and even live streaming, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The camera's autofocus is very fast and accurate. The image quality is excellent, with great detail and dynamic range. The camera is compact and easy to carry around. Number 1. Canon PowerShot G1X Mark III digital camera. Introducing the Canon PowerShot G1X Mark III. This camera is packed with features to enhance your photography experience. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. It features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS (APS-C) sensor. This allows the camera to capture stunning detail and clarity in every shot. You'll be amazed by the image quality. Equipped with a 3x zoom lens, ranging from 24 to 72 mm, and optical image stabilization. This helps to reduce blur and allows you to capture sharp images, even in challenging conditions. The stabilization feature is very helpful. It has dual-pixel CMOS AF with phase detection. This ensures fast and accurate autofocus, so you never miss a moment. The focus is quick and reliable. Powered by a Digic 7 image processor with an ISO range of 100 to 25,600. This combination delivers excellent performance and allows you to capture beautiful images in various lighting conditions. It handles low-light situations very well. What we like. The Canon PowerShot G1X Mark III features an APS-C sensor for outstanding image quality and a versatile 3x zoom lens. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF ensures fast and accurate focusing. If you like a camera that offers excellent image quality and performance in a compact form factor, you should consider this one. What people say. The picture quality is great, that is what I need. Overall, it's a great tiny camera that you can take anywhere with you and that give very nice pictures. I find the image quality to be great. This camera is packed with features and is very capable for a point-and-shoot camera with full manual capabilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.